Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Agix, once again, we did 5-wave up, we did the A, a B, and now we're doing the C. Now the question is, did we finish this wave C corrective movement or it's still ongoing? Now let's try to answer that question. So as you can see, we can count a 1, maybe a 2 here, a very nice 3, a 4, and a 5th. We did the 5th wave, a lower low of this movement. We could say that we have 5 wave down, so we can complete this wave C, and we can say this corrective wave 2 is done. But now can also say, I don't know, maybe this is the 1 and this was not the 2, but maybe this one, and we're going to go lower. Doesn't make sense, honestly, very unlikely, but we can make an extensive lower 5, so that's still possible. Well, so now what can we see? We can see that we were doing this downtrend channeling movement. We touch it here, and now we are bent on this downtrend channeling that it's acting as a resistance for a very long time now. All right, so I can say that this was a wave 1 and a 2. Cannot be a third wave because the fourth wave it retraced a little bit too much in my taste. Before, let me see here now, 1, 2. Yeah, and also because the third wave is not that impulsive, it's not that high, I would say. So let's redo it again just to be sure. It's been a while, I didn't. So yeah, okay. So you see, if I take the Fibonacci extension of this blue count, the dark one, dark blue, this would be the third, the level of 1.618. So that's why I'm saying, you know, very likely that this is the 1, 2, and this is another 1, 2, and down this is the 3, the 4th, and we're actually going to make a higher third wave in dark blue, because this is going to be, yeah, let's do it again. I think I already did it, that's why. Yeah, okay, so if I take the impulsive movement of this light blue, the 1 and a 2, the third wave should go around 27 cents and a half. So maybe we're a little bit short here, and now we're doing this corrective movement. Can this be, now the question is, can this be a fourth wave, you know? So let's go and dig, and honestly I don't think so, because the retracement it's too much. Now again, technical issues. Maybe I just use this one. I already did it. Okay, so we are, this is 4 hours, because we're kind of allowed to go and wick below the 0.5, but if we have a full close candle, then it starts to pretty much invalidate the count. So let's see what we have here. So we don't have up to now, well, maybe today would be kind of bad if we close at that level, because as you can see here, we are almost closing below the 0.5. So yeah, that would be that would invalidate. I would say we're kind of borderline now from invalidating this for potential fourth wave in light blue. Let me put it so it's crystal clear, like that. Okay, so this ideally would be a fourth wave. Otherwise, I need to count this again as another 1 and another 2. It starts to be a lot of 1, 2, 1, 2 now, so that's why for the moment I will stick with this. And if we indeed go much lower, then yeah, I'm going to say this possibly it's another 1, 2, which would be very, very, very bullish for Agix. Now, as you can see, we're really fighting this trend, trying to break out. And you know what they say, eventually, you know, you hammer a resistance. Eventually the resistance is going to give up. Well, let's say, because let's see how it goes, because we're hammering big time here and still being suppressed. So is the fourth wave is going to finish and the fifth wave is going to start? Hopefully, honestly, hopefully we're going to do that. So once again, we had another very nice accumulation level here. We even touched the lowest wave 2 more likely can go and be safe if you in a certain way, less risky, because this is like if you invested here, I mean, you could put the sell stop limit just a little bit below to give some room, and then potential gain is it's very neat. And actually, let me see here, if someone did actually bought here, I'm not even saying he bought the lowest, and now we are here, so you should be already in profit 16%. That's very good. All right, so if you are in profit, I would definitely put a sell stop limit, or start to put some, because, well, for sure, if we go below this level, we're going to invalidate discount, yeah, for sure. And once again, if we start to go below the 0.5, then this is not going to be a 4 wave anymore. If we have a close candle on the daily, because now it's already starting to challenge this fourth wave. So if you are in profit, maybe you want to take some cash in, some profit. Anyway, you need to decide by yourself your strategy, at what time when you bought it, what's the price and stuff like that. For sure, what do I know? I'm not a financial advisor. Also, what can we do now? Let me see if I can do a trend line. Can I do something like this? Try to be the more precise I can. And yeah, I'm going to put it in green because this is kind of positive. Actually, maybe orange was more visible. Okay, so I would say until we don't break this trend, it's good. Even though if we're losing this 0.5 level, but if we're going to lose even this uptrend line, then I would say something is happening and maybe we need to recount our waves. Let's go and pull out some indicators. You can see that the RSI is still in decline. So this was the 1, 2, this is a 1, this is a 2, and this was our third wave. Yeah, for sure, as you can see, we shouldn't be going that low into the RSI. That's why I'm a little bit worried. Momentum, looks like we're kind of regaining some momentum, so let's see how it goes, honestly. And let's go on the daily just to have a better idea for a long-term view. If again we are able to have some data. So last week, yeah, Bitcoin is really going on the side. It's kind of boring. I really thought it would do something Sunday night, but still nothing. So RSI, we're going higher. We are at 48.28. And momentum, we're in green momentum. Maybe we're losing a little bit of momentum now, but still in positive. We have a very nice long wick. Actually candle, sorry. So that's also good. So nothing let me really say that we should do a lower low or something like that. We're just taking a rest. So yeah, I'm very confident. Hopefully we're going to see this reversal maybe tonight, well, this afternoon, or maybe tomorrow. And then for sure, if Bitcoin decides finally to go for that fifth wave, it's going to help big time Agix. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Agix for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.